My dear students, I welcome you to this session. I am going to discuss in this session the NEET question paper, actual question paper given in October 2020. So this sort of revision is very important to test your understanding, to test your memory, to test your the subject knowledge, and at the same time it is also important how to approach the NEET 21 that is scheduled on 12th September. So this is very important. You have been preparing for the examination for the last 2 years, day and night, without sparing any effort. Now let us discuss the question paper thoroughly, one after the other, and you will come to know at least something about how to approach the question paper. Now the question paper, question 1 is, in some plants, the thalamus contributes to fruit formation. Such fruits are termed. Thalamus develops into a fruit. Any fruit that develops from other than ovary will be known as false fruit. Therefore, it is false fruit. So, you need not go into all the other three: aggregate fruits, true fruits, parthenocarpic fruits. First discovered restriction endonuclease that always cuts a DNA molecule at a particular point by recognizing a specific sequence of 6 base pairs. In biotechnology, again in the restriction enzymes, restriction endonucleases, always one question is going to appear from this. So this is a memory, not understanding, but memory. The correct answer is HIND2. Haemophilus influenzae, D strain, and 2, the second enzyme. Which of the following statements is, properly read the question paper, question, incorrect. He is saying incorrect. That means 3 should be wrong, only 1 should be right. Biomass decreases from 1st to 4th trophic level, right? Energy content gradually increases from 1st to 4th trophic level. This is wrong. When biomass increases from 1st to 4th trophic level, when we accept that is right, then biomass and energy, they are directly proportional. More the biomass, more the energy. So therefore this is incorrect. Number of individuals decreases from 1st to 4th trophic level. Yes. Energy content gradually decreases from 1st to 4th trophic level. Energy content gradually decreases. This is also right. This is right. This is right. This is right. Therefore, this is B is correct answer. The term nucleon for the genetic material first used by B. Misher. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by try to understand, proposed by Sutton and Boveri, but it is proved. The evidences were provided by T.H. Morgan. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Phycoerythrin is the major pigment in, from algae, botany, red algae, erythrin red, phycoalgae. In red algae, rhodophycean members, the reserve food material pigment is phycoerythrin. Reserve food material is Floridian starch. Identify the statement which is again incorrect. Incorrect, wrong. That means 3 should be right. Sulfur is an integral part of cysteine. Cysteine is an amino acid. It contains sulfur, right? Glycine is an example of lipids. This is wrong. Glycine is an amino acid. So therefore, correct answer is B. Lecithin contains phosphorus atom in its structure. Right. Tyrosine possesses aromatic ring in its structure. Tyrosine is again aromatic amino acid. Aromatic ring will be there. So therefore, this is incorrect. So correct answer is this. Which of the following statements is incorrect about gymnosperms? Just like Cycas, Netum, Pinus. They are heterosporous, again incorrect. This is right. Their seeds are not covered. This is right. Male and female gametophytes are free living. No. They are present within the ovule or within the pollen grains. So, this is wrong. So, therefore, the correct answer is C. Most of the plants have narrow leaves with thick cuticle. So, these two are xerophytic characters. Most of the gymnosperms exhibit xerophytic character, just like Pinus, just like Cycas. So, there the cuticle is very thick and stomata are sunken within the epidermis. A plant species which is introduced for the ornamental purpose but has become a troublesome weed. Flowers are beautiful, therefore ornamental purpose it is introduced into the country. But later on it proved to be a noxious plant, troublesome plant in aquatic bodies, that is Eichhornia crasopis. Why? If you might have seen, the flowers are good, beautiful, attractive. Here trapper flowers are not attractive. Here also, here also. Correct position of floral pods over the thalamus in mustard plant. Mustard plant, Brassica nigras, Brassica oleracea, belongs to Brassicaceae family. Here it belongs to Thalamiflorae. The ovary sits superior, or all other pods will be below the ovary. Gynoecium occupies the highest position while other pods are situated below it. A is correct answer. All other on the thalamus, ovary occupies the topmost position. All other floral pods will be below it. In recombinant DNA technology, antibiotics are used. Recombinant DNA technology protocols, antibiotics are used as selectable marker. Selectable marker, whether the foreign gene is introduced into it or not, we can know by this. Tetracyclines, ampicillin, these are antibiotics used. According to Alexander Van Bolt, species richness decreases with increasing area of exploration. Richness means more the number of different species. in a particular place. Species richness increases with increasing area, but only up to a limit. This is correct. There is no relationship between the species richness and the area explored. Species richness increases with increasing area of exploration. So, correct answer, only up to certain extent increases, but up to certain extent. After that, there will not be much difference. Which of the following is incorrect for wind pollinated plants? Wind pollinated plants. Remember, wind doesn't need color, attraction, nectar, smell, odor, all this doesn't require. Well exposed stamens and stigma, many ovules in each ovary, flowers are small and brightly colored, pollen grains are light and non-sticky. So this is many ovules in each ovary. Generally, ovary contains one or two or very few ovules, just like rice, just like wheat, just like any poaceae member. Which of the following is the correct floral formula of Liliaceae? Liliaceae is a monocotyledon. In monocotyledon, flowers are trimerous. Sepals, petals, stamens, 3 or multiples of 3. So this fact you have to remember. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Perianth 3 plus 3. Androecium 3 or 3. Gynoecium 3 carpels, tricarpellary. Correct answer is this. Whereas in dicotyledons, the flowers are pentamerous, 5 each, 5 sepals, 5 petals, 5 or multiples of 5 stamens, 5 carpels, like that. In polynucleotide chain of DNA, a nitrogenous base is linked to OH. Nitrogenous base is attached to sugar. In the polynucleotide chain, a nitrogenous base is linked to the OH of first carbon of pentose sugar. First carbon. The counting of the carbon starts from there. In glycine mags, soybean, product of biological nitrogen fixation is transported from root to nodules, other parts as ammonia. It is easily translocable. Ammonia. The number of contrasting characters studied by Mendel for his experiments was number of contrasting characters. Traits were 7. For example, height is trait, but in that 2 contrasting characters, tall and dwarf. So he selected 7 traits. In 7 traits, again 2 contrasting characters. Therefore, answer is 14. Contrasting characters are 14. Attachment of spindle fibers to kinetochores of chromosome becomes evident in metaphase. Evident in metaphase. Then match the items in column 1 with those in the column 2. Herbivorous plants, mycorrhiza plants, sheep, cattle, orchid tree. Now look at here. Mycorrhiza plants, mutualism. Sheep, cattle, competition for a common food. orchid tree commensalism, herbivore plants predation. Herbivore plants predation, mycorrhiza plants mutualism, sheep cattle competition, orchid tree commensalism. So therefore B is opposite. Then again, vegetative propagules in agave is termed as bulbil. B. Match the following items in column 1 with the column 2. Aquaporin polypeptide 3. Then chitin polysaccharides, abscisic acid amide, aspergin carotenoid, aquaporin polypeptide 3, aspergin amide 1, abscisic acid amide, chitin polysaccharide. So therefore answer is A, 3, 1, 4, 2. Which of the following elements help in maintaining the structure of ribosomes? In ribosomes there will be 2 units. In 70S, 30S, 50S. These 2 are held together by magnesium. A. Who coined the term kinetin? Kinetin is a growth hormone in plants. Skoog and Miller. In the following, in each set, a conservation approach. An example of method of conservation are given. Which are correct? Select the option with correct match of approach and method. In situ conservation, biosphere, this is correct. Ex situ conservation, wrong. In situ conservation, seed bank, no. Ex situ conservation, cryopreservation, right. Therefore, 1 and 4 are correct. B. In situ means under artificial conditions. Ex situ means under natural conditions. Embryological support for evolution was proposed by great biologist Ernest Haeckel. He gave a statement, ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. Ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. Ernest Haeckel. During non-cyclic photophosphorylation, when electrons are lost, non-cyclic, from the reaction center PS2, what is the source which replaces the electrons? B. Water undergoes splitting. This is called Hill's reaction. Water undergoes splitting, H2 plus O2 plus 2 electrons. In mitotic cycle, the correct sequence of phases is in mitotic cycle. Mitotic cycle starts with G1, G1S, G2, M. G1S, G2, M. So the correct answer is B. So cycle ends with mitosis, but begins with G1. So G followed by S, followed by G2, followed by M. Inclusion bodies of blue-green algae, purple and green photosynthetic bacteria are gas vacuoles. Large, empty, colorless cells of the epidermis along the veins of gross leaves, or the gross leaves are long, parallel venation, and at the venal regions there will be colorless large cells called bulliform cells. These bulliform cells enable the leaves to turn, to curl during the dry conditions to avoid the or to minimize the transpiration. Biosynthesis of ribosomal RNA occurs in, here we should be very careful, ribosomal RNA is saying, ribosomal RNA in nucleolus D. Which of the following is incorrect about cyanobacteria? Which of the following is incorrect about cyanobacteria? They are photoautotrophs. He is asking incorrect. Therefore, I highlighted in green color so that we should be very careful. In such cases, whether he is asking for correct or incorrect, you must very clearly know. They lack heterosis. This is wrong. They possess the heterosis, in which the nitrogen fixation takes place, in which the nitrogenase enzyme is present. They often form the blooms in polluted water, correct. They have chlorophyll similar to green plants, correct. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C. Select the correct statement. Transport of molecules in phloem can be bidirectional. Movement of minerals in xylem is unidirectional. Unloading of sucrose at sink does not involve the utilization of ATP. Elements most easily mobilized in plants from one region to another are phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen. So correct answer is C. It requires the energy. So therefore, once the food materials are transported, they should be converted into polysaccharides, complex materials. So that energy is required, utilization of ATP. Then air or Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was amended in 1987 to include among pollutants C. Noise. Inhibitory substances in dormant seed cannot be removed by subjecting seeds to. So you should carefully go through such type of questions. Seed cannot be removed by subjecting to seeds is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid, in fact, encourages the seed dormancy, whereas others, this is in fact removes the dormancy. Match the following techniques, instruments with their use. Bioreactor 2. Electrophoresis, separation of DNA. PCR, amplification of nucleic acids. ELISA, detection of pathogen based. Bioreactor, production of large quantities in microbiology, industrial microbiology or biotechnology. Electrophoresis, separation of DNA segments. Then PCR, amplification of DNA. ELISA, detection of the pathogens. Which of the following statements is again incorrect? In C4 plants, the site of rubisco activity is mesophyll. Ribulose biphosphate, carboxylase. B is correct answer. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Incorrect. Wrong. Phosphates are the major forms of phosphorus reservoir, right? In soil, most of the phosphorus exists in the form of insoluble phosphates. Phosphorus solubilizing bacteria facilitate the release of phosphorus from organic remains, correct? There is no appreciable respiratory release of phosphorus into the atmosphere, right? It is sedimentary cycle. Nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, these are sedimentary cycles known as. So this is B. After about how many years of formation of Earth, life appeared on this planet? In fact, such type of question should not be asked because we are not sure. But in your book, it is given C, 500 million years. In a mixture of DNA fragments or separated by, so again, so in biotechnology, the questions more asked. In a mixture of DNA fragments or separated by, suppose we cut the DNA, number of fragments result, how to separate them according to their weight? Bioprocess engineering, restriction enzymes, electrophoresis, separation of DNA fragments by electrophoresis. Restriction enzymes to cut. Identify the correct features of mango and coconut. Correct. In both the fruit is edru, right? Endocarp is edible in both, no. In coconut it is hard shell. Endocarp is edible. Mesocarp in coconut is fibrous and mango it is fleshy. In coconut is fibrous, right? Mango it is fleshy. In both the fruit develops from monocarpellary ovary. So this is a, I don't know whether they have identified it properly or not, scanned or carefully gone through it or not. Fruit is drupe, correct. Endocarp, it is wrong. It is right. It is wrong. So therefore, two correct answers are there here. Impact of immigration on population density is immigration, migrating from one region to another, from area to another area. Negative. Decreases. Male and female gametophytes do not have an independent free living existence in male and female gametophytes do not have an independent free living existence. Pteridophytes, algae, angiosperms, bryophytes. Sporophytes, gametophytes. Free living. In pteridophytes, they are free living. Prothallus, for example, it is free living. Algae, no. Angiosperms, this is correct. Even gymnosperms also it is correct. Bryophytes, the gametophytic phase is free living. It is actually dominant phase in bryophytes. Match the following Match the following concerning the activity, function, and the phytohormone involved. Fruit ripener for herbicide to kill the weed plants 2,4-D, bolting agent GA3, gibberellic acid 3, stress hormone abscisic acid. Stress hormone is abscisic acid. Pyruvate dehydrogenase activity during aerobic respiration requires magnesium. D. The rate of decomposition is faster in the ecosystem due to the following factors, except, is asking, you see, except the rate of decomposition is faster in the ecosystem due to the following factors. Answer is detritus rich in sugars. If sugars are more, the primary colonizers in the microbial communities, they become more active and start decomposing the process. Warm and moist environment, presence of aerobic soil microbes, detritus are rich in lignin and chitin. So this is the rate of decomposition is faster in the ecosystem due to the following factors, except the correct answer is detritus rich in lignin and chitin. These are biodegradable, but it's very slow, because they are very complex materials, lignin and chitin. For the commercial and industrial production of citric acid, which of the following microbe is used? Very simple question. Citric acid, isn't it? Aspergillus niger. So remaining questions let us see in the next session. Okay.